And also, what do you do? So, let me show you what we do, okay? So, let me ask you questions. Let's say there are three families. They have a mortgage, okay, of $1 million mortgage debt. So, family A earns $50,000 a year. Family B earns $100,000 a year. Family C earns $500,000 a year, okay? So now, question is, who will pay it for off faster? Okay? So, obviously, family C, correct? Yes. So, what is the real problem here? Debt or income multiplication? Okay? So here, income will never multiply with skills and hour, which is single-handed, but income will multiply with system, which is multi-handed. Alright, let me just show you this. Another way, which path goes to your dreams first? People, most of us have dreams. Which path goes to the dream first? Do you desire to 5x or 10x your income? How about freedom of time? And what about lifestyle? What about generational wealth or generational income? Okay? So, is your current income, are you making your income single-handed or is it multi-handed? Okay? It's not about changing the vehicle or work, it's always about changing the path. So, let me show you something. Search in Google or ChatGPT, okay? What is the biggest regret of Americans have in today's society? Is not saving enough. Alright? So put families on the path of wealth creation. We empower them with 10%, 3 rules, 3 goals. Which is save 10% from net paycheck, minimum 10% from the net paycheck. Second is apply 3 rules in your favor to that 10%, okay? Which is compounding, risk effect, tax. And then plan 3 goals for the secure future, which is income protection, income replacement, and generational wealth. Now let me ask you these questions. Do you know what affects your money? Compounding effects, which is the accumulation phase, risk effect, which is a protection phase, and the tax effect, distribution phase. So currently, what is affected? What is it? Where is your money right now? Is it compounding? Is it risk-free? Or what kind of tax effect does it have in your investment currently? Okay? So people utilize various financial products, but they don't know these 3 rules are in their favors. Now, the biggest suffering, the next one people suffer is the biggest suffering of our society today is a lack of, not a lack of opportunity, but it is lack of, it is because of the self-doubt, low confidence, and opinions of others. Because our environment does not support our self-improvement, okay? Self-improvement is the only way to live a blissful life and make our world better. This is our third philosophy. What holds people back from such life-changing changes is bad experience from the past, self-created illusion, and preoccupied perspective. But some people always stay open to learn new perspectives towards a bright future. It's not the opportunity, it's the perspective towards the opportunity. Those who open stage towards learning always finds a way. There is always okay? They want to transform their life, okay? If you're interested in any of these, okay, if you are one of those who are hungry for success and open-minded, let's sit down and set up some time together and I can actually explain this to you in more detail. So when is the next time can we meet? Tomorrow or next day? You wanted to put a little bit of your personality in it, but just read through, do more practice. So we need to drill this. That's it. So now, all of us have a group, right? I cannot see anybody here, so I don't know, okay? All of us have group, so let's practice one-on-one on each. There is a captain. Everybody please practice one-on-one And then, are we giving how long are we giving this? 5 minutes? Cash?
So whoever isn't here, whatever number you got, attach it to your trainer, and let's all meet your trainers
Okay.
right now.
5
All right,
minutes.
guys. If you have any questions, let us know. Number one, let's meet by the pool table. Group one by the pool table.